Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. So in this video we are discussing question number 2. Before starting this question from the M Economics. So if you need answer of this question, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number because we are providing all the answers, not including this. We are providing all the answers in this assignment. So you can call us, you can message us on our WhatsApp and by now the question number 2 is saying the pattern of the structural changes in the Indian economy has deviated from the development of pattern of Western and the South Asian economy and examine this statement. So you can see this is the 700 words limit answer. So we have prepared all the answers in a 700 words. So if you need answers of this question, so you can contact us for this course. We are provided not for only this course, we provide all the courses related to the other courses. Thank you so much for watching this video.